Here on the Wix editor, for example, I want the visitor of my website, when they click on this text right here on see our product, it will take them all the way down to the section right here on earrings and bracelets. So to do it, you want to click on the specific element. Keep in mind that you can also do this to the button, to the image, or any element. Here we have our text. After you click on the text, you can just click right here on the link icon, and then on the small window, you want to choose on the section or anchor. And then here on which page, you can just choose on which page you want to connect to. So it means that you can actually connect it to another page. But right here, I want to do it on my home page. And then after that, you can just click right here on the section, and then you can just scroll down until you see your specific section. So to see what section that you have to connect, for example, right here, this section is called promotional section. Here on the section promotional, and at the bottom, the section name is section product 2. So just choose on the section product 2 and then click on done. And then if I click on preview right here to see the changes, here on the preview, when I click on see or product, it will automatically go down all the way to earrings and bracelets. And there you go. And then, what if you want to jump or connect to a specific place inside the section, or just to a specific product on another page? To do that, you can actually use the anchor tools. So first, you want to choose and go to the section or place that you want to connect. For example, I want to connect to my product page. Just go to the left side of your screen at the top, and then choose the page that you want. For example, I want to go to my store page on my category page. And then here on my category page, for example, I want to make it connecting to this crafting tool set. To do it, you want to use your anchor by clicking right here on add elements at the left side of your screen, and then go to menu and anchor, and then on in-page navigation, just click on anchor. Or if you cannot find it, you can just use your search bar right here at the top right of the windows, and then search for anchor. After that, you can just click on anchor or drag it all the way to the page. And you can actually rename the anchor. So for example, I want to rename it as example, and there you go. And you can actually drag it all the way to the top or down. So here on crafting toolset is at the bottom of the page. So I want to make it go to this state. And then after that, you want to go to the element that will link or connect to this anchor. So for example, I want to go back to my home page right here by clicking on home. And here at the home page, I want to again using this see or product text, and you can actually use another element such as the image or anything that when you click on it, it has this link icon. So click on the see or product and then click again on the link icon, and right now go to section or anchor, click on this one, and then on the which page, choose the page that you want here on the category page, and then here on the which item, you can actually just choose any specific product. But for this video, I want to make it to the anchor. Click on all product. So again, just scroll down, and then on the where on the page, you click it, and then choose the anchor that you just made before, and then click on done. And there you go. So right here, if I click on preview, then I click on the see or product, it will transfer all the way to the product page to our specific anchor that we just made before. And there you go. After that, don't forget to click on publish after you've done with all the changes, so your visitor can see the changes that you've just made. And that's how to connect or jump to a section on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.